Hi, this is Erica, and this video is for week 4. I feel like this video is going to take a little bit longer than I thought it would, just because it takes me a little time to get everything done the way it should be done. Alright, so I'm going to start with exercise 3.1. I'm going to make a list called names. Okay. Alright, so that's my list. Print each person's name. Okay, so print name 0, names 1, names 2, and run. Alright, so I have each one of them names. Start with the list you used, but instead of just printing each person's name, print a message to them. The text of each message should be the same, but each message should be personalized with the person's name. Alright, so message equal hi friend. Actually, alright. So I'm gonna copy and paste, and I'm just gonna change the name. Alright, now I'm gonna print. And run. Hi friend, and hi friend. Perfect. Your own list. Think of your favorite mode of transportation, such as motorcycle or car, and make a list that stores several examples. Use your list to print a series of statements about this item, such as, okay, cool. Alright, so let's see, cars. BMW, Jeep, Audi. Okay. I drive a Jeep Compass. And statement 2. I don't like. Let's see how this is gonna work. So now I'm gonna print first one, print. Alright, let's run. Oh, what did I do wrong? I would like to drive a plus cars title plus I drive a. What did I do wrong here? Let's see. Oh, right here. This is what I forgot. Let's run it again. Alright, I would like to drive a BMW. I drive a Jeep Compass. I don't like Audis. It will work better if I do like this. Let's run it again. I don't like Audis. Okay, perfect. Alright, that was exercise 3.3. Now going to the next one. Alright, now I'm gonna delete this and start from the beginning. If you could invite anyone, living or deceased, to a dinner, who would you invite? Make a list that includes at least 3 people you would like to invite to dinner. Then use your list to print a message to each person inviting them to dinner. Alright, so dinner list. Okay. One typo found. Oh, this is wrong. It's dinner list. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna use the same message and I'm gonna change the name. But this is to number 1. 2 is equal, and this is for the third person. Now I'm going to print dinner invitation, print dinner invitation, and print. And let's run. I would like to, invite. I forgot the invite. Let's run it again. Would like to invite Mariana for dinner. I would like to invite Allison for dinner. I would like to invite Trisha for dinner. Okay, you just heard that one of the guests can't make to dinner, so you need to send out a new set of invitation. You will have to think of someone else to invite. Start with the program form exercise 3.4. Add a print statement. Add a print statement at the end of your program stating the name of the guest who can't make it. Modify your list. Okay, 3.4. Start with your program from exercise 3.4. Add a print statement at the end of your program stating the name of guest who can't make it. Alright, so I guess I'm just supposed to add it here. Okay. So I'm gonna add dinner list. Let's see, Allison is not gonna make it, so dog title let's change this to double. Can't make it. So I'm gonna add this to the end of the statements. And let's run and see what happens. Okay. Alright, we need some space here. Run it again. Would like to invite Mariana for dinner. Allison can't make it. Well, start with your program for exercise. Add a print statement at the end of your program stating the name of the guest who can't make it. Modify your list, replacing the name of the guest who can't make it with the name of the new person you are inviting. Alright, so I'm going to modify the list now. And then I'm gonna add